heavy metals. So which metals have high atomic number? Which metals have high atomic number or high mass number? They are called as heavy metals. Which metals have high atomic number or high mass number? Those are called heavy metals. So most of them, these heavy metals are completely toxic in nature. So here we have three types of heavy metals are there: arsenic, lead and mercury. So arsenic, it is the most poisonous substance, means these 100 mg of arsenic also shows toxic effects in the body. So we have to take 130 mg of arsenic, so it causes death. Means only these 100 mg of toxic shows their toxic effects in the body, and this 130 mg means it causes death. So here this 10 mg per liter, it is the safe level in drinking water. And also in West Bengal, municipal drinking water contains 400 milligrams per liter arsenic. And also how it is add to water, means this deep borewell water has contains more arsenic. Deep borewell water contains more arsenic because this arsenic enters into bore water from rocks. And also several pesticides also contains this arsenic. And also several industries release Paris green. So Paris green means it is copper arsenate. Copper arsenate. So this copper arsenate directly mixed into river by the industries. This is the most poisonous substance. Only 100 mg shows their toxic effect in the human body, and also when we have to take more than 130 mg, it causes death. And also 10 mg per liter is safe level drinking water, and it is mostly added by the deep borewell water, and also it is enters from the bore water from rocks. And also several pesticides and also industries release this Paris green into rivers. Paris green means it is copper arsenate. So the main sources of this arsenic is earth crust, rocks. Pesticides may release this arsenic, and also petrol, diesel and fishes from polluted water. Fishes from polluted water, these also contains arsenic. And also deep borewell water also contain arsenic. Earth crust, rocks, pesticides, petrol, diesel and fishes from polluted water and deep borewell water, these are main sources for the arsenic. And effects, so this arsenic mainly damage the kidneys and enlargement of liver, and it shows burning sensation in stomach, and also black spots present on the skin, and also hardening of skin. Hardening of skin means it may causes keratosis in the human beings. And also nausea, vomits, and also this arsenic mainly reacts with the synthesizing hormone groups of enzyme which are participate in the Krebs cycle. So these enzymes are completely become ineffective when this arsenic reacts with the this HS group of enzymes. So what happened here? So energy is not produced by the Krebs cycle. So this arsenic reacts with this SH group of enzymes, and these SH group of mainly participate in the Krebs cycle. So these are directly reacts with this SH group of enzymes, and also these enzymes completely ineffective, means energy was not produced by the Krebs cycle, and also it competed with the phosphorus, and these arsenic settle in the place of phosphorus. So At as ATAS, so it may cause death. Affects damage of the kidneys and also enlargement of liver, and also it shows burning sensation in the stomach and black spots present on the skin, and hardening of skin means it causes keratosis in the human beings, and also nausea feeling, vomit, and it reacts with the SH group of enzymes which are participate in the Krebs cycle. So when these are react with these SH group of enzymes, those are completely ineffective, and also in the Krebs cycle energy was not produced, and it competed with the phosphorus, and these arsenic settle in the place of phosphorus. So means in ATP instead of it forms ATAS, so it causes death. Second one, lead. So the main sources of lead is these lead rechargeable batteries, and also immersing of idols, and food packed in the newspapers. So here this ink made up of with the lead, and also leaded petrol, that means TEL, tetra ethyl lead, tetra ethyl lead. So main sources of the lead is these rechargeable batteries, immersing of idols in the water, and also food packed in the newspapers, and leaded petrol. Effects: abdominal discomfort means most of the people are suffering with the indigestion problem, and also bluish lines present around the gums, bluish lines present around the gums, and also low IQ, and the most of the persons are suffering with low IQ, and also they contain metallic taste, means this saliva contains lead. So when they have to take in food, it is completely metallic in taste, and also suffering with anemia, means these hemoglobin levels are completely decreased, and also small RBCs are present, means microcystic anemia, microcystic anemia, and also this vitamin D activity is completely reduced. So abdominal effects are abdominal discomfort, and bluish lines are present around the gums, and suffering with low IQ, and they contain metallic taste, and suffering with anemia, and also microcystic anemia, and this vitamin D is completely activity is completely reduced. And the next one, mercury. So main sources of this mercury, it is present in the thermometers, and skin ointment, and also fishes, and leaf vegetables from the polluted water, and also mercury vapor, street lamps, and also several pesticides also contain this mercury. It is mostly present in the thermometers, skin ointments, and also several fishes, and leafy vegetables from polluted water, and also these mercury vapor street lamps, and also several pesticides contain these mercury. So mostly it is causing Minamata disease. So it is by eating of fishes from polluted water in Japan. 50 peoples are dead due to these Minamata diseases, and loss of hearing power, and also loss of speech power means here these vocal cords are damaged. These vocal cords are damaged, and also loss of muscle power, loss of muscle power, and loosening of teeth, and also numbness in lips, and liver, brain, kidney, or liver, brain are damaged, and these kidneys are degenerated, and also these gonads are damaged means sterility is developed. So these mercury is mostly available in the main sources are thermometers, skin ointments, and mercury vapor street lamps, and these fishes and leafy vegetables from the polluted water. The main effects are this Minamata disease, and loss of hearing power, and loss of speech power, and loss of muscle power, and this liver, brain are damaged, and kidneys are degenerated, and loosening of teeth, and deformed babies, and numbness in lips, and also these gonads are damaged means sterility developed in the human beings. Radioactive nucleotides. So these radioactive nucleotides produce alpha, beta, gamma rays. So these alpha rays means here this helium atom nuclei consists two protons and two neutrons. So these are bound together. And beta rays means it is a flow of electrons, and gamma rays means no mass. So ionization power of these radioactive nucleotides are alpha greater than beta greater than gamma, and penetration power of these radioactive nucleotides are alpha less than beta less than gamma. Radioactive nucleotide means these are produce alpha, beta, gamma rays. Alpha means it is helium atom nuclei consist with two protons and two neutrons bound together, and beta rays means it is a flow of electrons, and gamma rays means they have no mass. And also ionization power of these radioactive nucleotides are alpha greater than beta greater than gamma, and also penetration power alpha less than beta less than gamma. And the sources of pollution, so mainly these hospital wastages like x-ray and also pathological labs are produce this type of wastage, and also several industrial effluents and nuclear bombs, and also nuclear power plants and nuclear test, and also earth crust, and also old wastage like TVs, DVDs, computers. These are the main sources for the radioactive nucleotides. And effects, so these are mostly causing skin cancer and blood cancer like leukemia, and also retina was damaged by this alpha, beta gamma rays, and also this brain, liver, pancreas are damaged, and air fall occurs, and also red spots present on the skin, and also melanin loss from the skin. It is called as leukoderma. And also chronic fever means here the fever continues for several months, and also weight loss, and these soil microorganisms are completely killed by the rays, and also species diversity is reduced, and also abortions or abortion occurs in pregnant women, and also these genetic codes are changed means defective genes produced by defective genes are produced by defective enzymes, and also this breakage of chromosomes may causes triploid polyploid conditions. Triploid and polyploid conditions. Skin cancer and blood cancers are caused by these radioactive nucleotides, and also retina was damaged by alpha, beta, gamma rays, and also brain, liver, pancreas are damaged, and air fall occurs, and melanin loss from the skin, and also red spots present on the skin, and weight loss and chronic fever continues for several months, and also the soil microorganisms are completely killed by the rays, and also these dead bodies are not decomposed in the water due to lack of microorganisms, and also species diversity is reduced, and also genetic codes are changed, defective genes are produced by defective enzymes, and also abortions are occurs in pregnant women, and also these genetic codes are changed, and breakage of chromosomes causes triploid and also haploid conditions, and preventive measures. So here this hospital waste and also hospital waste and e-waste and waste from the nuclear plants, so this should be disposed underground concrete tanks, and we have to prevent wars between the countries, and protective clothing should be used, and recycling of e-wastage, and also we have to prevent accident in nuclear power stations. First one, hospital waste and also waste from the nuclear power plants should be disposed underground concrete tanks, and also wars between the countries should be prevented, and protective clothing should be used, and also recycling of e-wastage, and also accident in nuclear powers should be prevented. Thank you.